Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here to my channel, I am a plant-based RN and I follow the Starch Solution. I've been following the Starch Solution since January of 2020, and I've lost 15 pounds and have kept it off. The Starch Solution is a program that was developed by Dr. John McDougall, which is detailed in his book, The Starch Solution. I will leave a link to his book in the description box below. On my channel, you will find whole food plant-based recipes that are quick and easy. So if that sounds good to you, I hope you subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating, or even if you feel like you just need some more support, I started a Facebook group. We're a group of like-minded people that are following the Starch Solution, and we post recipes and photos and give each other inspiration and support. I will leave a link to my Facebook group in the description box below. A couple of weeks ago, I posted a picture of some tacos that I had made, and it was crispy chickpea tacos with potatoes, and I got a few requests to do a video on that, so that's what I'm going to do today. It's going to all go in the air fryer, super quick, super easy, and of course, Starch Solution compliant. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is I drain a can of chickpeas and then put them in the bowl, and they're still wet, which is what I want because then the spices are going to stick to it. And then I've got one Yukon Gold potato, and I'm just going to cut these into bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to slice them fairly thin, and then so we're looking at pieces about this big. So I'm just going to continue cutting up my potato and putting it into the bowl. You really want to spice these like crazy. Okay, so I've got my potatoes in here with the garbanzo beans. I love using garbanzo beans or chickpeas because they are full of fiber, iron, potassium, and calcium. So let's get to spicing. We're going to start with some salt. We've got some onion powder. And these are basically the same thing that I spice everything with. Garlic powder, smoked paprika. What I've done other times is I just use a prepackaged taco mix and use that, and that's also another great shortcut. So I'm going to mix this all together. And then we're going to season again. Salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and cumin. You could add cayenne pepper to this. That would be good as well. So stir again. And as you can see, the spices are all sticking really nicely to this. Okay. This is all going to go into our basket. If you do not have an air fryer, you can put this on a lined baking sheet and you can do the same exact thing. It just might take a little longer. So you want to shake it so it's as much as a single layer as you can. So I'm going to set it at 400 for 13 minutes. At the 10-minute mark, I'm going to open it up and give it a good shake and check it because it can burn pretty quickly, so you want to keep an eye on it, but at the 10-minute mark is a good time to check it. So I'll see you back in a few. Perfect. Perfectly crispy. seasoned just right. Okay. So I just put my tortillas right on the grill, right on the burner. They get crispy and I'm good with that. So here is how I put mine together. All right, I've got my plant-based cheese sauce and I put some of that on the tortilla first and spread it all around. Then we put some of our chickpea potato mixture down the middle. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of avocado, not a lot. If you're still in your weight loss portion, you might want to skip this, but I use very little. Then I like to put some romaine lettuce, nice crisp romaine lettuce, a few tomatoes, and then a little bit of salsa, and this is just jarred salsa. And of course, we're gonna add veggies. My standby, green beans and broccoli. So predictable. And we'll put that there and put a little cheese sauce on our veggies. And I will eat 2 of these tacos with veggies. And that will be dinner, and I will be pretty full. I'm gonna make 1 more taco, then I'm gonna come back and show you the plate. So here is our plate, 2 tacos, veggies. It's a perfect 50-50 plate because you've got veggies in your taco itself, and that plant-based cheese, so good. So I hope you give this one a try. And just remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and check out my Facebook group as well. And remember, keep it simple. Don't overthink it. The simpler, the better. Until next time, thank you. Smoked paprika. Okay, my smoked paprika is gonna give me a hard time. There we go. What I've done in other cases, I've just used like a pre-packaged taco mix. What I've done sometimes,